Good morning, learners. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, let's start today's session with the topic specific ways of preventing infectious diseases. That is, we will talk about vaccination. Last time we discussed the principles of prevention. In the principle of prevention, we discussed about the two ways. The first was the general ways, as it is a strong immune system. We should have the strong immune system. Then second, for the strong immune system, we should take the balanced diet. Then today we will discuss about the specific ways of preventing infectious diseases. Okay, then it include adopting the practice of immunization. Immunization means to make the immune system strong with the help of vaccination. Okay, then first we will discuss about the vaccine. Actually, vaccination is a process in which we introduce the vaccine in our body. Then we will discuss about vaccine. Then the term vaccine is derived from the Latin word that is the vaccinia. And the meaning of the word in this word, the vaka is there. The meaning of the vaka is cow, right? Then this term was first used for the cowpox, and it is a process of injecting dead or chemically weak microbes in our body, and in order to develop the immunity against that particular microbe which is introducing in our body. And this eliminates infection because the first time when the microbe enter into the body, then the immune system of the body makes the antibodies against that particular microbe, and or we can say the memory cells are produced. And for the next time when the that particular infection will enter, that particular microbe will enter in our body, then already the antibodies are there as the fighting agent. They are the fighting agent, and they will kill the microbe, and the chances of infection being infected will be reduced, right? Okay, now next, vaccines. Actually, what are the vaccines? um, it is not the medicine. It is not the medicine. Actually, these are the infections which are introduced in our body, deliberately introduced in our body. Then see, vaccine is a preparation of weakened or weak germs or chemically killed. With the help of the chemical, they are killed, or with the help of the chemical, they are mm, become very weak. उनको बना दिया जाता है weak. And they stimulate when they introduce in our body, or it may be the product generated by these organism also. It may be the chemically weak microbes or heat killed microbe, or they may be the product produced by that particular microbe. When these are introduced in our body, इनमें से कोई भी introduce कराया जा सकता है, then they stimulate the immune system to produce antibodies against that particular disease, right? And if the antibodies are already in our body, the next time अगर कोई भी microbe enter करता है in our body, then already the fighters are inside. Then they will kill that particular microbe or that particular germ. Okay, then the first time the vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner for against the small pox. It is actually cowpox. It was a disease that was the cowpox, और ये ज़्यादातर किस में होती थी? काउज में होती थी. और जब ये बीमारी फैली, काउपॉक्स, तो काफ़ी सारे एनिमल्स में हो गई थी. उसके बाद फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या हुआ, कुछ दिनों के बाद स्मॉल पॉक्स नाम की जो है डिजीज़, ये फैली सब में. तो इस स्मॉल पॉक्स का इन्होंने काउ पॉक्स से वैक्सीन तैयार किया. आइडिया कैसे आया इनको कि काउ पॉक्स, मतलब जो काउ में डिजीज हो रही है, उससे इसके वैक्सीन जो है तैयार की जा सकती है. एक्चुअली ही ऑब्जर्व दैट द पर्सन हु आर वर्किंग विद दैट काउ वगैरह के साथ में जो डेयरी में काम करते हैं, because those person were not affected that were not infected by that particular disease, that is स्मॉल पॉक्स. बाकी सबको हो रहा था, लेकिन वो लोग जो वो डेयरी में उन काऊ के साथ में काम करते थे, केवल उनको ये डिजीज़ नहीं हो रही थी. तो फिर उन्होंने आइडिया लगाया कि इट मे बी ड्यू टू द काऊ पॉक्स, अ सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ द उसी के जो स्मॉल पॉक्स का जो भी वायरस रहा होगा, जो माइक्रोब रहा होगा, उसी के स्पीसीज का माइक्रोब जो है उससे काऊ पॉक्स होता है. और क्योंकि वो जो लोग ऑलरेडी काऊ पॉक्स जो काऊ के साथ में काम कर रहे थे, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो काऊ पॉक्स का भी उनके अंदर वायरस गया होगा, और उससे क्या हुआ, उनकी बॉडी में एंटीबॉडीज बन गए. तो काउपॉक्स ने तो उनकी बॉडी में कोई खास असर नहीं किया, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादातर एनिमल्स को इन्फेक्ट कर रहा था. बट एंटीबॉडीज बन गई उनकी बॉडी में, और इसलिए स्मॉल पॉक्स का वायरस जब फैला तो उनकी बॉडी में ऑलरेडी उसी स्पीसीज के अगेंस्ट एंटीबॉडीज वर देयर. सो व्हेन द माइक्रोब ऑफ द स्मॉल पॉक्स वो उनकी बॉडी में एंटर करे होंगे, है ना, तो क्या हुआ होगा कि काउपॉक्स के थ्रू जो एंटीबॉडीज बनी हुई थी इनकी बॉडी में, उन्होंने उनको किल कर दिया. एंड ये एक रीज़न था कि उनमें ये डिजीज़ नहीं फैली. तो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम डिस्कवरी ऑफ द वैक्सीन अगेंस्ट द स्मॉल पॉक्स, और ये सब किसने किया, एडवर्ड जेनर ने. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट. Many vaccines are available for preventing various diseases. Some vaccines for the particular disease are given below. The first one is the diphtheria, DPT. This is called DPT. This is a combination of the three diseases. The first is the diphtheria, then second is the pertussis, and third is the tetanus. D for diphtheria, P for pertussis, and T for tetanus. This is a combination of three. The next is poliomyelitis. This is a vaccine given for the polio, for the disease polio. This is a oral vaccine. It is written OPV, oral polio vaccine, है ना. बाकी since बॉडी में इंजेक्ट कराई जाती है, बट दिस वैक्सीन इट इज गिवन ओरली. दिस इज द ओनली वन वैक्सीन विच इज गिवन ओरली through it means through mouth. Okay, the next is a hepatitis B. The vaccine given for this is hepatitis vaccine, and the tuberculosis, one more disease caused due to the bacteria. And the vaccine which is given for the tuberculosis, it is the BCG, and the name is given uh, to give the honor, है ना, to the discoverer. It is the Bacillus calmette-guerin. तो उन्हीं के नाम पर ये इसका नाम पड़ गया BCG, right? Okay. Now next is Pulse Polio program. Then Pulse Polio program was launched uh, in the India in 1995 as a result of the WHO Global Polio Eradication Initiative. पूरे वर्ल्ड में से इन्होंने पोलियो को ख़त्म करने का इनिशिएटिव लिया था, और उसी से जो है इंडिया में भी इट वाज स्टार्टेड इन 1995. Under this program, all the children under the age below 5 years below or up to the 5 years, they were given 2 drops of the oral polio vaccine, especially in the month of the December and January every year, until the polio is eradicated. This PPI was initiated with the objective of achieving 100% coverage in India, and it has been declared polio free. India has been declared polio free by WHO, and even it is given to the our kids. However, Pulse Polio program is continuing to eliminate any chance of its comeback in the India. इसलिए हम आज भी जो है अपने बच्चों को पोलियो की ड्रॉप्स देते हैं, है ना. इसका एक कॉमन स्लोगन भी है, दैट इज 2 बूंद जिंदगी की, है ना. तो इट इज फॉर पल्स पोलियो program, and it is for the polio vaccine, right? It is the only oral vaccine which is given orally. Okay, now this chapter is finished, and if you have any problem, any query, then you can write down in the comment box, right? Okay, thanks for watching me.